Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the new MURAD Cellular Hydration Repair Cream. She looks like this. MURAD kindly sent this as part of PR and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you love product reviews. MURAD describes this as a daily nourishing cream with fatty acids from bilberry omegas that immediately repair dry, flaky skin at the cellular level. You can find this at murad.com and at Sephora. A 1.7 ounce unit retails for $69. MURAD suggests that you use this morning and evening. You want to apply an even layer onto clean, dry skin onto the face and neck. You also want to follow it with your favorite sunscreen if you are using this during the day. On nights when your skin needs added hydration, MURAD suggests that you use the MURAD Cellular Hydration Repair Mask. Sold separately, I'll put a picture of it up here in place of the cream. Let me know if you would like a review on the mask or the cellular repair serum. MURAD kindly sent those over as well, but I decided to try the moisturizer first. The moisturizer contains a lot of really good hydrators and anti-agers, the best. We see squalane, an antioxidant. It helps to prevent moisture loss, strengthens the skin's barrier, all while being non-greasy. We also see niacinamide, an antioxidant that minimizes pores, soothes, and improves dull, uneven toned skin. It also minimizes environmental stress and strengthens the skin's barrier. We also see bisabolol, a skin-soothing anti-ager that calms the skin. We see refined bilberry seed oil, which provides essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6 for a healthy skin barrier. We do, however, see fragrance within this formula, listed as the last ingredient alongside limonene and linalool, ingredients often seen in other MURAD formulas. These can cause sensitization if used in a high concentration, not seen here, or when paired with drying alcohols. Again, not seen here. Limonene and linalool are at the very end of the ingredients list, and I will say I barely even notice a scent. I first used the MURAD Cellular Hydration Repair Cream on January 21st. I noted that it felt very nice over the skin. It felt richer than the MURAD Nutrient Charged Water Gel, which I love, and it smelled nothing like the Nutrient Charged Water Gel as well. A scent I love. You've got some time, I will link that review up above. Do keep in mind that it is an older review, so do give me some grace. Over time, I found that the Cellular Hydration Repair Cream gives the skin an amazing glow. It is slightly tacky, but not bothersome at all. This became primarily my morning moisturizer. I feel like this has helped my barrier from becoming impaired or my skin feeling sensitive, despite the cooler temperatures and tretinoin use. The other product that I have used recently or reviewed here on my channel is the Inky List Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. I'll link my review to that up above. Because I'm nearing my 40s, I'm 39, I definitely prefer the MURAD unit. It's also got a more luxurious feel. The packaging, airtight unit. You don't have to dip your fingers into it. This formula is also a bit more nourishing and it gives the skin the most amazing glow. MURAD unit also has a lot more ingredients and better ingredients as well. As mentioned earlier, we do see fragrance. It is, however, listed as a last ingredient alongside limonene and linalool. The Inky List unit, however, is fragrance-free. And while I am using this in the drier, cooler winter months, during the day, I do not think I would do so in the summer months. In the summer months, I think that this would be ideal, a nighttime moisturizer for me. I feel like the glow that this gives me during the summer months, I would more so desire from a gel-based moisturizer instead of a cream. If you're young, if you're in your 20s and you're just starting your skincare journey and have perhaps an impaired barrier, you lean on the more sensitive side but still need some moisturizing, some nourishing, some hydration, I would recommend this. Although it is marketed as an anti-aging product, of the two that I am comparing here during this portion of the video, this has literally less than a handful of anti-aging ingredients, whereas the MURAD unit contains well over 10 anti-aging ingredients. The MURAD unit is also uniquely loaded with hydrating ingredients as well, which aging skin often needs. Results. From well over a month of use, I have found the MURAD Cellular Hydration Repair Cream to be nourishing and repairing. I used tretinoin while using this moisturizer, and I really noticed how much it minimized / reduced flaking, redness, irritation from 2 to 3 days to literally 1, all without the need of a heavy cream. Now, I don't suffer from loads and loads of visible redness, but the bit that I do tend to see was practically non-existent. I found that this moisturizer worked very well with other ranges. I did use this under multiple sunscreens and it did not pill. I will also mention that sometimes when my skin needed extra nourishing and moisture for gym, I would pair this with the new, I think these are new, the Pacifica Sunny Glow bronzing drums with vitamin C and Kakadu plum. So I would wear these two together under my sunscreen just to give me a nice bronzy hydrated look. Worked beautifully for a nice bronzy glow to the gym. My favorite way to use this was, of course, during the day. So I would cleanse after the gym with my vetted cleanser. Then I would go in with the Paula's Choice 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. I will link my review to this up above. During the time, I was also testing the May Love, doing like a split test. So I was doing May Love on this side and SkinCeuticals Vitamin C Serum on this side. So I would use those, and I still, even though those videos have gone up already, I still do that. I feel like my skin has really been thriving. I'm not sure if you can see that in the demo today, but my skin just looks kind of bright, even toned. So it could just be because of this, but it could also be from the vitamin C serums. Anyway, then I would use my cellular hydration repair cream, follow it with my favorite eye products. I think my favorite sunscreen to use with this was the Versed sunscreen. I'll be sure to link those products down below for you, but the Versed sunscreen has just been so nice. It is a mineral sunscreen and it does have a little bit of a tint as well. And that would be my favorite way to use this product by MURAD. I did not use this at night a whole lot, but when I did, I would pair it with the Medicate Hydrating Serum. It's one of my favorite anti-aging hydrating serums. Also used it with the new FARMACY Honey Glow Serum. I'll link my review to that up above. I found that those two worked quite well together, but I did note some tackiness, but it was not bothersome at all. I did want to mention that in case tackiness and slight stickiness is a deal breaker for you. After use the following morning, I would feel that this moisturizer sank into the skin beautifully, and when used during the day, I did not feel like my makeup was sticky or tacky at all. I am wearing this under all of the makeup, and sorry if you can see my dandruff here. it was a hair washing day and I did not wash it, so there's probably dandruff. I am not wearing like powders here, but you can see a little bit of that highlight. But there's a little bit of a glow right over here. I did set the rest of kind of like my T-zone and jawline. That's kind of like what I have been doing when using this during the day. This does look very glowy, very luminous, very dewy. So I did feel the need to set my makeup. At the end of the day, there were just some natural oils just kind of peeking through, but this did not alter the wear performance of my makeup. I would recommend this to anyone with combo, normal, dry skin. Oily skin may prefer this during the nighttime portion of their routine. Keyword here being may. If you are dealing with dryness, redness, signs of aging, sensitive skin may want to do a patch test here because of the use of limonene, linalool, and fragrance. Pros here, I love the airless pump. It makes the application process sanitary and prevents ingredient breakdown. It minimized flaking, redness that I often see when I am using tretinoin. It literally soothed the skin upon application, especially on those mornings where I really felt like I needed more moisture. Because my skin felt so nourished and hydrated, it minimized the signs of aging. Do remember that dry, dehydrated skin looks and appears older, more wrinkly, which is why moisturizing is so essential if you lean dry, dehydrated, especially on drier, colder months. Do not skip moisturizer. There are also no drying alcohols within this formula. My cons here, this does contain fragrance, limonene, linalool, a low concentration of course, but it's still there on a product that is meant to repair. So this is also slightly tacky, sticky upon application, but it sinks really nicely into the skin. Of the Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Trio, I wanted to test the moisturizer first because I've been using and testing a number of moisturizers this winter and I wanted to try them all. Just wanted to see what the differences between all of them were. And I really thought that this one would be one I would enjoy the most at night, but I found myself enjoying it a lot more during the day because it gave my skin such a nice, luminous glow. It soothed and it gave my skin a plumper appearance. So I am rating this a 9 out of 10. I am deducting 1 point for the fragrance, which I can barely even smell. Let me know if you have used this or any of the other cellular hydration barrier repair products in the comments down below. What were your results? What is your skin type? Would you recommend this to others? Let us discuss in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this type of content. Be sure to also hit the like button if you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next video. My favorite way to use this, limonene, limonene, no. Of the cellular repair, of the cellular hydration repair, of the cellular